Here we have the latest addition to the RiiRoo Ride On Car family. If you're looking for something a little bit different from the rest, then look no further, because RiiRoo have you covered. Our Range Rover Evoque style Ride On Car is a big hit with our customers this year, and probably the best thing to hit our store in a long time. Even though this isn't licensed, this is one of the best replicas on the market we've seen for a very long time. It's suitable for children aged between 3 and 5 years old, but I must stress this can vary from child to child. Although this is an unlicensed model, it still packs many of the features that a licensed model would have, without the official badging and emblems. And don't forget, this comes with a 4-wheel independent suspension. A suspension system makes all the difference when it comes to riding on the grass or off-road, something that cars with a front suspension struggle with. The car has working front and back lights that look absolutely amazing in the dark. You will notice the detail of the twin exhausts on this model have been made to look exactly like the real thing. Also a large rear boot compartment so they can put their toys in there. It has a black translucent windscreen and a full set of realistic style alloy wheels. As we take a look at the tyres, you will notice the attention to detail of the tyre tread. Even though this is a toy, the tread on the tyres has been designed for your child to really picture themselves in the real thing. The majority of cars we sell here at RiiRoo have doors that open and close. This model is no different. The latch inside the car allows the doors to be locked shut. As we take a look inside, check out the quick release safety belts provided with every Ride On car sold by RiiRoo, so you can rest assured knowing your child will be completely and totally safe. The car has a 1-seat capacity, meaning it is designed for one child. The car has forward and reverse gears that can be switched easily from the dashboard. It also has an auto brake foot pedal accelerator which gradually stops the car upon release. Now let's talk about the media player. Not only does it have a USB input that allows you to use your own USB stick with MP3 music, but you also have the ability to turn the volume up and down and skip track functions too. This model also has a dedicated media player control on the steering wheel. This means that your child has full control at their fingertips. Don't worry if you don't have any music, every Ride On car comes with a selection of tunes pre-installed so your child can bob along whilst they are driving. If you purchase one of our RiiRoo 8GB USB sticks, they are already pre-formatted so you can download your own tunes. If you feel like you want to take control, you can. Most of the cars we sell here at RiiRoo come with a parental remote control, meaning that you are able to override the control of the car at any time. It comes with a 1-year warranty on the motors and a 3-pin charger. If you would like to buy one of these great cars, then go to our website at riiroo.com, where we offer a free 1-day delivery if you live in the UK and if you order before 1 PM. And don't forget, we also give our customers the option to purchase our key-shaped USB sticks and our dust and rain covers.
Yeah.